What is repo rate? What is CRR? What is the effect of these two combined on the markets? If you want to learn these two things and the effect of these on the market, then wait till the end of this video and you'll understand the meaning also and what is the effect on the economy as well as on the market. So let's see. Welcome for this session. My name is Paresh Desai from Sankalp Eduventure. And today we are going to see what is repo rate and what is CRR. Okay, so let us dive directly into the definition of what is repo rate. The repo rate definition says that repo rate is the rate at which the central bank of a country, which is Reserve Bank of India in this case, lends money to the commercial banks in the event of a shortfall of funds. Okay, and the repo rate is used by the monetary authorities to control inflation. That is what is important in the current scenario. Okay, so the repo rate, which has been increased today by the RBI governor from 4 to 4.4%, would actually help in controlling the inflation. Now, how does that happen? Now, just understand that whatever money is being lent out to the industry in terms of loans, obviously the interest rates are going to increase. So your EMIs on your car loans, home loans are also expected to increase. Just take a note of that. Okay. So obviously the loan rates are going to increase. So if the loan rates increase, then to that extent you'll find that the industry would be taking lesser loans because now the loans have become costlier, right? So lesser the loans which the industry takes, lesser money which will be actually going into the industry, into the factories. Okay, lesser the money which goes into the factories, the output of that would be that people will have less money in their hands as incomes and salaries and profits. Okay, so obviously because of that, the purchasing power is going to reduce. क्यों? क्योंकि अगर आपका profits कम हो गए, salaries कम हो गए, then the money which you have in your hand is going to reduce. It is going to reduce your purchasing power, and because of the reduction in the purchasing power, the demand is going to be that much lesser. So अगर demand उतना कम होता है, then obviously it will help in controlling the inflation. So this is how the logic works behind controlling the inflation with the repo rate. Now the second one, which was also totally unexpected today, which was something called as a CRR increase. So let us see what is CRR. So the CRR definition is cash reserve ratio. Okay. So if you see here, it is a percentage of the depositors' money that commercial banks have to mandatorily park with the Reserve Bank of India. Okay. And the 50 basis points in CRR today increase jo hua hai 50 points is going to suck out 87,000 crore rupees from the banking system. Wow, that is huge, right? Now CRR is what? Basically whatever money the banks are getting as deposits from the depositors, the banks have to keep a certain percentage with the Reserve Bank of India as a cash reserve ratio. That means they cannot disburse them as loans to the economy. Okay, so what is going to happen? Because of that 0.50 basis points increase, 87,000 crores rupees worth is not going to be going out into the economy. So agar utna paisa agar economy mein nahi ja raha hai, what's going to happen is the economy is going to have that much lesser money to spend. Lesser money to spend is going to affect the demand. Okay, lesser the money, lesser the demand. Lesser the demand, what's going to happen? The inflation would be expected to come down. Okay, so this is how the repo rates and the CRR is used to control inflation. I hope you got a brief idea about how the repo rates and the CRR is used by the RBI governors and the entire monetary system to bring down the inflation. After this, now we're going to see what is the effect of the increase in the repo rate and CRR on the markets. Okay, so the markets have reacted negatively today. If you see, there is a 392 points fall in the market today. Nifty is down by 390 points. So the 390 points se aaj agar Nifty niche hai, that means the markets have reacted negatively. Now, why did this happen? Obviously, if less money comes into the economy, less money is going to come to these companies also. So lesser the money comes, it would be taken that the profits will also reduce. Yes, obviously everything will have an effect on the companies which are being traded here. So that is the psychology behind this, that in the near future, that's the reason why the prices have been corrected. Okay, so market नीचे आने का ये reason होता है कि if the repo rates are increased, that means the government is trying to suppress the economy. और जब भी repo rates कम होते हैं, that means the government is trying to encourage the economy. Okay, so जहां पर भी encouragement होता है, you'll find that the markets would be reacting positively. जहां पे suppression होता है, the markets are not going to react positively. In fact, they'll be reacting negatively. That is what has happened today. Okay, so I hope you understood what is the effect of the CRR and the repo rate on the markets and why the markets have come down. In fact, I would also like to show you today that how till now the government was encouraging the economy by bringing down the rates, the repo rates. Okay, let's look at this slide. If you see this table, you'll find that right from 2018, the repo rates have been coming down from 6.5, 6.25, 6, 5.75, 5.4 until 22nd May 2020. It had come down to 4%. Okay, so almost like 2 years, the repo rates have not been increased by the RBI. Okay, and this is the first time you'll find that the trajectory has taken a reverse mode, which was in the same downward trajectories from 6.5 to 4, is the first time today it has been increased by 40 basis points and it has come to 4.4%. I hope you have understood what is the CRR, what is repo rates, and most importantly, what is the effect of these two on the markets and why the markets come down or go up, right? So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to this if you're not already done, and also like this video and comment below what you like, and also you can share it with your friends. Once again, this is Paresh Desai from Sankalp Eduventure, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.